Anything.
Okay.
Whatever the universe wants to say.
Okay. Okay, so Vasavi, for you, I am getting a good blend right now of receiving and money. So you need to ask for it. Sometimes it just doesn't flow. You need to ask. So don't feel shy. It's what you've earned and you know what you deserve. So please ask for money to show up in your life, whether it is from people, whether it's from the universe. Just ask. And don't block yourself spiritually. Let that also open up for you. Whatever it is, don't think that it's going to stop any other part of your life. So you can start small, do something for yourself and work on that, and then maybe go into it full-fledgedly if you want to, but do open up yourself for spirituality. There's a good growth for you there, even a personal growth. Thank you.
Wow. Okay, thank you so much. That
Thank you.
hits hard. It makes a lot of sense right now in my life. So
Absolutely.
yes, definitely have felt a very big change in receiving. So yes.
Wonderful.
Good. Thank you.
Let's go to the next speaker, Aarti Desai. She's going to be giving us pet tips, and if we can do a reading for her, please. Thank you.
Yes. Aarti, any questions?
Aarti, koi sawal?
Aarti, where have you vanished?
No question. I'm just setting up my charger and all that. So the laptop doesn't go off.
Okay, so Aarti, there's a wonderful time showing with family right now. A lot of a time for you to bloom with the family. So whatever has happened, just let it flow out like the water, and that's okay even if it comes out in the form of tears. And that will happen when you are with yourself, when you are with your higher self. So let it out, talk about it to yourself, maybe just write about it, tear it and throw it. So that needs to come out, it needs to flow out. So let that flow happen through your chanting, through your meditations, whatever you're comfortable with. Do that and let it out. And I'm getting a beautiful time right now with family, so enjoy that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful. That was brilliant. Can you do a reading for my mom today?
Yes.
Thank you.
Auntie, any questions?
She will not say anything.
Okay.
just do it.
Okay.
So welcome Anjali, Atul, Darpana. If Vasavi, you want to share on your Facebook, please go ahead. Just go on my Facebook and share from there. And Aarti, you could do the same. Binay, you could do the same.
I've already done, Anu. Mine is already on.
Thank you. Hi, Anjali.
Okay. So, Auntie, for you, I am getting that you're blocking yourself from a lot of, what can I say, a lot of inner work, which you can do. And you can also, like, for me, like, I would think that Anu would be there to guide you in whatever inner work you can do. Maybe some inner journeying, Anu, that you can do with her and for her. Right now, that would really help her a lot. And if she does any chanting or if she does any sort of prayer, then she just needs to increase the intensity of that. Like maybe she is doing it, but the intention with which she's doing it and the focus with which she's doing it, that just slightly needs to increase. And that will really help, because she's also going through certain karmic cleansing right now, which is happening, but it's not it's not happening smoothly. So there are certain obstacles which may make her feel a little irritable, or mood swings. So
Mhm.
all that can be taken care of if just a little journaling, a little cleansing can happen at your end,
Okay.
plus her own chanting, and that's going to be really good for her.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Let's do a reading for Darpana.
Sure. Any questions, Arpana?
Darpana, any questions? Darpana, any questions?
Is she there?
I don't know. Let's do a reading for Atul.
Okay. Atul, any questions?
Okay. Okay. Let's move further to Anjali. Anjali, do you have any question?
Yes, regarding again the blocks, how to resolve the blocks.
How to resolve the
Okay.
blocks. Hi, Deepa. Welcome.
Hi Anu, how are you?
Good, good. We do a reading for you.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
Okay, so Anjali, for you, I have got you need to open up your receiving a bit. So for that, whatever therapy you can do, please go ahead and do that. You need to really reconnect with your family, reconnect with your roots, reconnect with yourself. So first, try and understand where your blocks are. Try and do some inner work, and that's the only way you're going to be able to release all your blocks. Because right now I'm getting a slight block in the financial area as well. So you'll just need to work with your intuition and see how best you can do this. There are a lot of therapists who can help you out with inner work, with a lot of cleansing, and you will need professional help at least for the first couple of times. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Let's do a reading for Deepa as I promised her.
Yes. Hi, Deepa. Any questions?
No, just see what opens up. I'm game for
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Hello, everybody. Atul has requested for a reading, and so has Rajiv from the Facebook.
Okay. Deepa, for you, I'm getting a beautiful blend of receiving and money. So be open to receiving whatever is coming your way. And whatever cleansing was supposed to happen karmically for you is coming to an end, I guess. So a good time for you is starting. So be open to receiving that, and be open to receiving the abundance that you're getting from the universe. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And last time there was some reading. I'm
Ha.
following that and I'm going by it.
Oh, great. Great.
Wonderful. Wonderful. For Atul, what about his health and
Okay.
its solution?
Okay. Okay, so your health right now is going through a phase where you need to really look after yourself more emotionally than physically. You need to just be very positive about things around you, about yourself. So you need to just come out of whatever negative thoughts or thought patterns that you're going through, and you can the way out that I'm seeing, the best way out is just doing some chanting, doing some focused meditations for your own self. So once you do that, your health, I'm getting, will surely improve. Thank you.
Wonderful. Last reading for Rajiv Bhatnagar. He's on the Facebook and he's asking, how soon will his partner come back?
Okay. Okay, Rajiv, that is going to take some time. I am getting around 6 months still to come back. And you need to change your perspective about whatever has happened and why it's happened. So once you can just understand what has happened, maybe you can sort out your differences faster. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. General reading for the whole group.
Yes. Okay, so I know something very strange has happened. Each and every cowrie has gone reverse except the seeker.
Mhm.
So basically, it is like we all know what is to be done. We all know where our happiness lies. We all know where our intentions lie. But it's just like we are ignoring ourselves. We are ignoring our body. We are ignoring our bodily needs. So we just need to get back to reality and accept what is happening to us and just not live. We are just living right now for the sake of it. So we need to move from the mindset of living to the mindset of thriving. Until we don't change that, everything is going to remain stagnant.
Wow.
So we just need to change.
Wonderful. So thank you